Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you some very sweet and delicious pineapple tamales. Yes, perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have regular milk, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, baking powder, granulated sugar, vanilla, pineapple chunks, rice flour, some papers to cover our tamales, and corn husks. This is everything we need to make these delicious sweet pineapple tamales at home. So let's get started because this recipe is perfect for this cold weather.
I am going to start with the corn husks, and I have some water here. I'm going to add a couple and then just leave them in here soaking so that they get nice and hydrated. This is the first step. So let's put it aside and let them hydrate. I have my rice flour here, and I'm going to put it through a sifter. I'm going to add the baking powder, the all-purpose flour, the sugar, and then we're just going to sift away. You want to make sure that you sift it really nice so that your tamales come out really fluffy. And if there's little lumps like this, just dissolve them. That's why you want to sift everything so that your tamales come out amazing and very soft and spongy. Let's put it aside. I have my unsalted butter. Here, I'm going to start creaming it very good until it gets really nice and creamy. It's even going to change the color. The color is going to get a pale yellow. But when it's nice and creamy, well then I am ready to start adding the dry ingredients. Look at this. We're going to go ahead and start mixing away until it's completely incorporated. While that is getting incorporated, I'm going to crack my 5 eggs so that I could start adding it one at a time until they incorporate completely into the mixture. Look at this. Okay, I'm ready to add the vanilla extract. I am ready to add the milk a little bit at a time until I have added all the milk in. And then I just want to make sure that I remove all the sides and clean the bowl so that there's no butter sticking to the bowl and everything is really incorporated. Once this is done, we need to make the test. Remember, mix your dough for about 6 to 8 minutes total. Let's make this test. You might be thinking, what test is Gloria making? You need to get a cup of water. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of the masa. If the masa goes all the way down, that means that you need to continue mixing your dough. But if it floats up just like this, then your masa is ready to make your delicious sweet or salted tamales. I am making sweet tamales. Look at this. This is how you know when the dough is ready, when your masa is ready to make your delicious sweet tamales. Well, now I am ready to make these pineapple tamales. I am going to add the pineapple to the mixture and I'm just going to incorporate it completely. Once this is done, my corn husks are nice and pliable. Remember that one side is really smooth and the other is rough. You're going to add the mixture to the smooth side. You could add a little more of the pineapple, but there's no need. Here at home, they really love these sweet tamales, so I try to add just enough of the pineapple in the center. And then I'm going to start rolling one by one until I am completely done with this mixture. I'm gonna get about 20 tamales, sweet tamales. And look at this. I am using paper to wrap them, and let me show you. This is parchment paper that it's already pre-cut, and you just roll them just like that, and nothing will come out. I am completely done with all the delicious sweet tamales, and I have my big pan here with water. I'm gonna add here my steamer, and I'm ready to start adding all the tamales in here one by one. Once this is completely done, I'm gonna get a kitchen towel. I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna get a plastic bag, and I'm gonna put it right on the top just before I cover them and they start cooking. They're gonna cook for about 60 minutes, no more than 60 minutes. 60 minutes is just perfect for any kind of tamale you make at home. This is completely done, and let's reveal how this pineapple tamal is going to come out. It's nice and hot. My home is really cozy. It smells amazing. The smell of the tamales. I'm sure that my neighbors already know that Gloria is cooking something delicious. Look at this. The corn husk really peels off really good. And if it stays a little bit sticky, it's because they just came out of the pan. You could see those chunks of the pineapple. Of course, you could add food coloring to make them a little yellow, but I enjoy them just like that. If you want them to be a little yellow, just add a little bit of yellow food coloring. Nice and soft. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious sweet pineapple tamal. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Look at this. It's really fluffy. My home is nice and warm and nice and cozy. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. The dough is really soft. The flavor of the pineapple, amazing. Just perfection. I'm telling you, you need to make this delicious sweet tamal, pineapple sweet tamal at home. And with a little bit of atole, just perfection. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. You enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. See you soon. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.